Good morning, you guys. I'm making my morning tea because I don't like kopi ko blanca. I'm making milk, Bear Brand. I'm making. If I make this, let me get a scissor. Wait a minute. I found it. I found a scissor. I'm making my morning tea. Let's get some water. I usually put at my milk cold water and hot water.
Mainit eh. Mainit si kuya.
This is pudding. It's so cold right now. So I think I'm just gonna put some little bit of cold water. Let me get some cold water. Wait a minute. Let me put some. I got it. And let me get a spoon. Wait a second.
10,100 something.
I got the spoon. Let me mix this. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.